Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study part 3 of freedom movement in Bihar. So until part 2, we have seen Ramgarh session 1940 under the presidency of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Okay, in that it was decided that the mode of any mass movement will be Satyagraha. A Satyagraha resolution was passed, okay, which was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was decided that ki any mass movement will be led by Gandhi ji, and what should be the mode when it should happen, it will be decided by Gandhi ji. Okay, after that ये Britishers made an offer, August offer via Viceroy. That time Viceroy was Lord Linlithgow. So Lord Linlithgow made an offer. Famous name is August offer because it was made on 8 August 1940. But this August offer was rejected by all. What was under this August offer? So August offer was कि dominion status is long-term objective of Britishers. So dominion status means ki everything will be done by Indians, but they will be under the queen. Like queen will be the president, and all the other things will be done by Indian people. So dominion status, obviously Indians were asking for Purna Swaraj and Britishers were giving the dominion status. Okay, then constituent assembly. So what should be the new India constitution? So there should be a constituent assembly. It will be consisting mostly Indians. Mostly Indians means कि all members will not be Indians. Some Britishers were also there, but it will be created after war, consisting mostly Indians. Or and Indian wanted constituent assembly of all Indians. Okay, obviously it is India's constitution, so all Indians should made it. Na? Then minority consent essential for future plan of action. कि minority consent, that means Muslim consent also has to be taken. If country has to be divided into two part, or what should happen in constituent assembly, so minority consent has to be taken. So it was rejected by all. Congress, Muslim League, everybody rejected it. Dominion stated because Muslim League wanted कि there should be a separate Pakistan. A Congress wanted कि there should be Purna Swaraj, and constituent assembly should be consisting of all Indians. So obviously it was rejected. And after that, Gandhi ji was not ready for a mass movement at that time. According to him, India was not ready for a mass movement yet. Okay, so initial steps but taken in the form of individual satyagraha. Gandhi ji said we are going to create a mass movement, but before that we have to be ready. For that we have to start individual satyagrahi movement. Okay, no mass movement, or do satyagraha on your own. Okay, in this what will happen? Leave your job, use Swadeshi things, and most importantly, use your freedom of speech. Use your freedom of speech to say Britishers ki we don't want war, we want an independent India. Then what will happen? Either you will get arrested or you will not get arrested. And if you are not going to get arrested, then go to Delhi. Delhi chalo movement will be start. We are going to fill whole Delhi. Okay. So first individual satyagrahi became Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave is so Gandhian ki he is also known as the second Gandhi. Vinoba Bhave. Later he was also associated with Bhudan Andolan for poor people. So India's first individual satyagrahi, mostly important for prelims purpose, कि Vinoba Bhave become the first individual satyagrahi. Then Jawaharlal Nehru ji become the second individual satyagrahi. We are focusing on BPSC. So in Bihar, first individual satyagrahi was Sri Krishna Sinha and second was Sri Anugrah Narayan Sinha. Always remember कि in contemporary politics you can understand this relationship like Nitish Kumar and Sushil Modi. Okay, कि he will lead and he will act in second, he will be second in command. Obviously after independence he became CM and he became the deputy CM. Okay, so it's like everywhere. Sri Krishna Sinha became the first individual satyagrahi. Anugrah Narayan Sinha became the second individual satyagrahi. And some miscellaneous data hai ki individual satyagraha in Gaya was led by Gauri Shankar Sinha, and Silao Nalanda. In Silao Nalanda it was led by Syam Narayan Singh. Silao is famous for Khaja. Okay, so these two are important. Sri Krishna Sinha, Anugrah Narayan Sinha, and on Indian level ki Vinoba Bhave and Nehru ji. Okay, after that Quit India movement in 1942, mass movement, last movement of Gandhi ji, Quit India movement happened. And what was its relationship with Bihar? In between many things happened. For removing the constitutional deadlock. If we will go into that area, then this video will be very long and it will be not relevant to BPSC prelims purpose at least. So we are going to leave that for later video. There will be a complementary video to complement this whole part. Right now just understand कि first individual civil disobedience happened after the August offer, then Quit India movement in 1942 happened, and it was started on Golwalia Tank Maidan, Bombay. Very famous Golwalia Tank Maidan in Bombay on 8 August 1942. Look, August offer was also given on 8 August, and Quit India movement was also started on 8 August 1942. In this, Gandhi ji gave a famous do or die speech ki either do or die in the search of independence, do or die speech, very famous speech, and it started Quit India movement. Before that, resolution has been passed ki we are going to start Quit India movement on 5 August, but movement started on 8 August 1942. This day is important. In 2021 UPSC prelims, this has been asked ki what is the significance of 8 August 1942. So in this date Quit India movement started, and at that time Congress president was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So very famous movement, very mass participation, mass arrest happened by Britishers, students, women and everyone participated. Okay, in Bihar, focusing on Bihar, in Bihar Patna Secretariat martyrship of 7 students. 7 students were martyred. Britishers started firing on 7 students were killed. Okay, and it shows students super role while major Congress leaders were in jail. All the major Congress leaders like Rajendra Prasad, Sri Krishna Sinha, Jayaprakash Narayan, everybody was in jail, and it was led by students, women and everyone. And 7 students was killed by the Britishers. And after that, Quit India movement became more famous in Bihar. Okay, Patna Secretariat martyrship of 7 students, and JP Narayan was jailed in Hazaribagh, and JP Narayan was very active in Quit India movement, and it is also famous his heroics of Hazaribagh jail escape. He escaped Hazaribagh jail and later he went to Nepal, and there he made a Azad Dasta. Azad Dasta is like guerrilla band, Azad Dasta in Nepal, and it is made stuff made of legends, very legendary tales of Jayaprakash Narayan coming out of Hazaribagh jail and creating Azad Dasta. So you can see Bihar's role. Bihar had a very active role in freedom movement, in all the movement, and especially in Quit India movement. And ultimately many things happened and India got independence. In between, Wavell plan happened, then cabinet mission. These are all for removing the constitutional deadlock, ki how constitution will be made. And ultimately Attlee statement, Attlee was Clement Attlee was England PM at that time, and he gave a statement ki we are going to leave India, and the ultimate day will be 30th June of 1948. But situations were so dynamic ki Mountbatten plan came and we got the independence early. On 15th August 1947, obviously Indian Independence Act came and India got independence. And in between, election held in 1945 and 46, and at that time interim government was formed under Sri Krishna Sinha became the chief minister. And for constituent assembly, there were many nominations into constituent assembly, and after that Sachidanand Sinha became the first interim president, okay, because he was the eldest in age. Okay, after that Rajendra Prasad became the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. India's constitution were made, India got independence, and after that you know the history what happened after independence in Bihar. So this is the part 3 of freedom movement in Bihar. It covered from 1857, sorry, Congress formation till independence. Okay, to support this video I will create a separate video to in between what happened, constitutional deadlock. Okay, there were Desai Liaquat Pact and everything. Okay, there will be a separate video. This is important for BPSC prelims will be covered, and 40-50% of BPSC mains has been covered by this. Okay, that's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks, bye bye and take care.